Hello, welcome to my channel. Today what I have for you is how you can use 200 naira to subscribe for 1 gig or 1000 naira for 4 gig, or you can use this continuously to accumulate your data as well. So first you have to check if you are eligible for this plan. So dial *131*65#. Let's check if we are eligible for this plan. So I'm going to select 2, which is 200 naira for 1 gig, a weekly plan. So you can press 1 to proceed. You continue. So yellow, activation of welcome back 1 gig data failed due to insufficient balance. So I think I'm eligible for this plan, so we can proceed after I load some of money on my phone. So if you are watching this video for the first time, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to on the notification bell because you don't want to miss another episode. So we can continue. I've already loaded on my SIM card, so I'm going to continue for my 1 gig weekly plan, which is 2. So I will proceed. Yes, auto renew. So you see, welcome, successful. So let's check if the data is real. Oh man, sorry for that. So 131*4#. So this is my total data, and this is real, man. Thank you for watching, and if you are watching this video for the first time, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to on the notification bell because you don't want to miss another episode, and do that now. Thank you for watching.